Hello?
Yeah, hi Ali.
Hey, how are you guys? Sorry about that. I was
All
grabbing
right.
my computer.
Yeah, that's fine.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing, just breakfast now.
Same.
Yeah.
I
So
know.
have you found the data set yet?
Have I what?
Found the data set for the Twitter thing, like for the tobacco and all,
Not
for the
really.
topic?
Not really, but I have some, I started some details. I will, like on my desktop, I'm about to finish it up, like polish it, give it like the last details, and then I'm just gonna share it with you guys and just let me know what do you think about it.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, but you said you have the Google form, the Google Doc.
Yeah,
So
Google Doc. I've shared the link with you all.
okay. So what do you guys decide with? Are we gonna go with the Fuma Google, I don't know, like a Twitter for tobacco, or are we going with the Corona, like a COVID-19 data set? I don't know which data set you guys gonna to go with.
So Vyoma gave the idea for the tobacco one. So do you
Mhm.
have the data set, Vyoma?
I do not have any data set, but we need to retrieve them. But I think we have yet not decided the topic. Let's understand what the topic actually is and have some scope regarding all the topics which we have posted on that Discord.
Discord. So for
Yeah.
the so we don't even have it on Kaggle for the tobacco one.
Hmm.
Um, well, I actually just had the topic in my mind.
Okay,
Yeah, so not yet decided anything.
that's fine. Yeah.
Me too. Like
So
for COVID-19, I just shared the small details in Discord, but I didn't have like the specific data set for that. So that's why I'm telling you guys I have some details. I'm just still like looking for it. So I don't know, but we have to, for sure we have to finish it before midnight so we could submit the report.
yeah, and before starting on the report, we need to have the data set because, like, if we don't have the data set and we submit the report, then we'll have an issue. Like, if we select a topic which we don't have the data set for,
Hmm.
because we have to submit mid report or something by March, mid March, I guess.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
there
but
was in
I
the
think once
syllabus.
we
Yeah,
decide the topic, we'll start working on the data set because it's a Twitter
yeah.
analysis. So you can get many of the data set like you in huge number. So that won't be an issue.
Uh,
Hmm.
okay, then, because the main thing is the data set. Yeah,
Do you
'cause
have
it,
Alfan, do you have any specific data set? Like, do you have something in your mind right now, or just?
no, I don't have any particular thing. I saw on Kaggle the structured data. I saw like the IPL and the weather,
Oh,
for the rain,
gotcha.
and I saw the weather impact in US around the world, the temperature change around the world. All those things were there, like in the Kaggle data sets. Like all of them were structured data. So that's
Okay.
that.
Mm, gotcha.
Just for the unstructured, I'm like hesitant towards taking those topic because I don't know which modules we can use in them. We can use word count for sure, but other things like I don't know which other like module Hadoop module we will be able to use for them. And for structured data, we have a lot of things. We have Scoop, Hive, we have word count, and also structured data much more simpler as compared to the unstructured one.
Mm, gotcha. So for techniques, we have to use two techniques from Hadoop and two techniques from Spark.
Yeah, yeah. And for the Spark, I've also taken the principle of big data class. So in that, we had a warm up project where we had to take the New York Times article, all the articles, and we had to do word count of all the words. Then top five categories, the word count for the top five categories, and then word count from all the categories. So
Mm,
I know I've used a little of Spark in that, but yeah, just
gotcha.
That was unstructured data, but yeah, I feel structured is much more safer and simpler topics.
But do we have any restrictions regarding structured and unstructured? Like we can use any either of one,
Yeah,
right?
no, yeah, definitely we can use
Okay.
any of them.
Okay. Okay.
I'm just
Mm.
saying, like, structured will be simpler. Like, it would be a direct thing as compared to unstructured.
I'm sorry, you
But it's
said.
Okay.
fine.
What do you mean by we could use any of them? Like we could use like either structured or unstructured, or what exactly do you mean?
So,
So I missed
like,
that part.
ma'am hasn't given a restriction on anything. Like, for the structured, we can use the database, like CSV files and all. And for the unstructured, we can use text file, like you said about the Twitter tweets.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
So we don't have restrictions on them.
that's cool.
Yeah. So like the one which we are actually finding in the projects regarding Twitter, the tweets. So all the format are in the text format. So that is basically the unstructured data. And
Hmm.
structured is basically you get all the data set in rows and columns, kind of a tabular. So yeah.
Hmm. Um. Okay. So what do you guys think? So should we? So we shall we do like the doc that you're gonna share with us, Afan, on
I've
CR?
shared the docs, yeah, but the doc just has the template. Like, I've added our names in the doc. The topic name, I've just left it, and I've added the objectives, goals, and everything. The titles, I've added the titles for each of them. We just have to add whatever our objective is inside that.
Gotcha. I think yeah. Uh, and the form when it says complete, we're just gonna share it as it is on Canvas, and then that link she shared. That's it.
Yeah, I guess we have to submit. She said we have to make a GitHub repository. We have to add our report and all the codes in there, and we have to
Mm-hmm.
share the link for the repository to her, maybe in the feedback form, and
Uh-huh.
maybe I don't know. Yeah.
Okay,
So
for the feedback form, one submission is enough, or all of us have to
no,
submit
no, just one submission is enough.
for both for campus and the
Yeah,
form.
for both.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I was wondering because the last semester we had a project and everyone has to submit a form. It's kind of like a form to test the group teams what part they worked and I thought it's the same, but that's good if you're gonna.
We have to mention what we have done individually on the
Yeah, because
report itself. On the report itself,
yeah,
like there's contribution of a column.
yeah, contribution for there has yeah. Got
Mm.
yeah. So I don't know. Like I mentioned, still not sure about the data set we're gonna use. That's what I'm working on right now. So definitely I'm gonna share the details in a bit after I finish it, and like just you guys let me know if you we should go with that or.
So what are you doing exactly? You are searching for the data set. Oh.
Uh, I'm doing the details. Pretty much I'm gonna do the report itself, the increment. The increment one, the report itself.
Mm.
I'm kind of like
Yeah.
filling up, collecting information about that because right now we the main focus we have to at least we come up with the increment report for now, and then
For increment report, we can write it on our own, like just what we think about the project, and also that's not. We don't have to search that on the Google. Like,
hmm
we have to mainly search for the data set. Like, if we find a data set for the
yeah,
tweets for Corona, I guess I saw the tweets data set for the COVID. I think it was there on the Kaggle,
Yeah,
but
I am actually looking in Kaggle only.
yeah,
mm,
Yeah.
yeah, that's nice. Then if you have the data, can you tell the size of the data?
Yeah, yeah. Just hold on for COVID-19.
mm, mm.
Mm. I just found COVID-19 country-wise latest data set on Kaggle.
That's not Twitter one, no?
No, that's not Twitter one. So we need to have a specific data set.
That will be structured data.
So you guys looking for data set for, because I'm kind of like confused. You guys looking for data set for both for COVID-19 and for smoking tobaccos, or just
No, for now we are just looking for the COVID-19.
okay? Okay, that's what I'm looking
But
for.
yeah,
Because
try to.
because it's kind of like since since last semester we have been using the same project all over and again. I'm not just the guy that teams had to use in the COVID-19, because it's kind of like using the same, because I literally used it for two projects last semester, like COVID-19 for data.
Okay. But for this semester, and like, just be careful that your other reports, like, they don't, your other project topics don't intertwine with this. Because, like, if I'm doing vaccination data set for COVID-19. So I can't take the same data set out here because, like, for the plagiarism and everything, like, it will
Yeah.
be an issue at the end. So
Hmm.
uh, be sure that your other project topics don't match with this one.
Yeah, that's
Like,
yeah, that's for sure to keep in mind, because if there's
yeah,
like similarity for above than 15%, then that will be issue.
yeah.
Yeah, so no, well, I'm keeping that in mind too.
There is COVID-19 tweets. What's the size of this? One sec. It's COVID-19 tweets.csv. This is structured data and it has 13 columns. I can't, it's not showing me the preview.
I found one from IEEE data port. I'll be sharing the link here. So,
I don't have my laptop on. There's a COVID-19 underscore tweets.csv file on Kaggle. And I even saw the I guess IEEE, which you are saying, IEEE paper, coronavirus COVID-19 tweets dataset IEEE data port.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, I found the same uh
Uh,
same link the Fuma talked about the dataset for COVID.
what's the size of it? It's not showing me the size. Like, I'm using on my phone, so
Oh,
The one
it,
which I found from IEEE, this is the number of twists. Like, mm,
oh, this is
uh,
65.53 MB. It's 65 MB file.
mm-hmm.
7 string. Okay, that's nice. This is a nice file. And then we are sorted. Like, it's a big enough file. We just have to hope that no one else has taken this topic. Like, after,
Mm. So how you can see the size of it?
uh, you are using your computer or laptop, right? So it
Yeah.
will maybe it will show when you download it, or like, I
Oh, okay.
just it's showing the size. There are two sizes. One, it's a zip size. Like, when you download it, it will be a zip file, and the other one is the actual size, which will be greater than the zip.
Mm.
right.
Mm. Showing me access data, which is downloading there.
But the IEEE data port, they have nearly 30 CSV files, each of maybe 20 to 22 MB. So why do we want to download? I mean, each and every one. We can have only first three or something.
I
We don't
guess they
need to
might
do.
be related. I don't know. They might be related to each
Uh,
other, or they might be the each file must be a table and it must be linked.
uh, Yeah, I think it is wholly redesigned. So last one, the first will be 21.65. Maybe I don't know. We need to
Yeah,
read.
yeah, read the data.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, they have the time mentioned. The first CSV file was generated on March 21. Second was generated on March 22, 2020. Like that, they have already defined the time.
Okay, and they have the same colors.
Yeah,
Okay, so
I have shared the link. You can open in
yeah,
this.
okay.
Yeah.
So yeah. Mm. You shared it on Zoom itself.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just shouting on.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so Corona tweet 344 is the latest file, February 25, 2020.
Yes,
This one.
it's way too below. It's there are a lot of files. 344, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, February 26th. It's not opening. There's a link to it. Something.
Mm, there's not any link.
Oh
Just
yeah, there's the link. It's there below. It's
you can
down
see
there.
the zip file towards the right one,
I
right
saw
side.
the tweet. All the files are there down.
If you must, you could share your screen so we could all see it, like the link. And
The link she has shared, and
yeah, I know, but you guys talking about the file about Corona tweets February twenty
yeah,
second, 21st?
yeah. You you aren't able to find it?
It's all the way
Uh,
in the bottom, right?
I'll
Yeah,
do one
yeah.
thing. I'll try to download this tweet and share you on the Zoom. That is better for me.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Anyone have IEEE account?
No,
The
but there's I had a link. I have to search for the link where you can download the IEEE papers.
okay, okay, yeah.
I'll try searching for the
Mm-hmm.
link. Mm. One second, just a second, I'm coming. So we do you want to take this zip file or the Kaggle one?
I think we'll download the both of them and then compare
Mm,
because we do not know what it contains.
yeah. So
Yeah.
okay. Have you received the link for the project, the Google Doc file, the project report file?
Yeah, well, we
Yeah,
received
yeah.
it. I mean, we could do it after after our meeting. We're just gonna look for data set now, and then everybody kind of work on
Yeah,
it and share. You know.
yeah, yeah. In Discord, I'm sharing the link for the IEEE paper. Like, you can give the link out here, and like, the paper will get downloaded.
Okay.
Oh, for the zip file.
No, for the IEEE papers, like you can't see the papers. I guess you have to create or something. You have to log in or something. But this site we used to use it in our bachelor's for downloading IEEE papers.
Okay. So you're gonna share the link, or the link is already?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm sharing the link. I'll open. I'll try opening it once. Yeah, I found the paper. Where should I share it with you all? This paper. Hello.
Yeah. You share it on the Zoom chat or on Discord.
Okay. Mm, let's save it to files first.
For the data set, I clicked on the link. It said that Fuma, the link that Fuma shared. I clicked on the Axis data set, and it showed me some few files, like zip files. I don't know which one you
Yeah.
guys want to download of them
The last one, which is the latest one.
but it's not showing the dates. It's just showing me the Corona Tweets 344 zip file, like the number.
Yeah. So if you download it, it will be there, like inside it.
Okay, so but it's not showing me the dates as you guys said. Like it's just
Ha.
yeah.
Okay. So 344 is the latest one.
Okay,
Yeah.
34. Okay, sounds good. Create a free IE account. Hmm.
Okay. So I've shared the IEEE paper
Okay.
on Discord.
So this paper about the tweets that I said.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 Cool. 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 Interesting. So do you guys wanna read this article and find out, and then just fill up the form that you sent, Afan?
Yeah. Like after we complete the report, we have to fill the form, and then yeah, I'll even check where you have to submit it. Okay, it's saying how to access this. Create a free IEEE account. Okay.
Yeah, but I was saying
Okay.
we could. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
No, no, sorry.
What's that?
No, continue. Sorry.
Oh yeah, I was saying we could find out, like, okay, since we have the data set right now and we have the article that you sent, we can just go ahead and fill up
Complete the report.
complete the report that you shared on Google, and then
Yeah.
from there we can just discuss on Discord if you guys want.
Yeah. So finally, which data set do you want to use? This one, the IEEE one, or the Kaggle one?
Mm, whatever you guys think it's good for me. I mean,
So for COVID-19, the rules.
sounds like IEEE is the. I mean, both of them there
Yeah.
looks okay.
How many rows does that have? The IEEE one.
How many rows? Hold on.
Uh, Gallup. Okay. Mhm. Yeah, I'll be done by that.
Mm, I have to create. Did you guys create an account in IEEE or just logged in?
I I haven't created it. I was just gonna create
Mm,
this
mm.
account. Okay, you have to give email address and all this.
Mm, access.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this IEEE data, it has 8 lakhs 31,000 rows.
Oh,
Wow, 30,000 hours.
we got, okay for the rows. Okay, I thought it's column. Okay. Well, how many columns are there?
There are only two columns. They have the Twitter ID and sentiment analysis value. So we need to convert them. Yeah.
So the Kaggle data is much better, I feel, because there are 13 columns and
Mm-hmm.
the rows. Let me download this. It's much more assorted, like in the Kaggle file. Submit your proposal to Canvas Tone 2010. I don't know what's that. What that is. Is it a typo or something?
What is that?
Um, I've opened the proposal increment doc where there's a submission guidelines. It's saying submit your proposal to Canvas Tonitin. I don't know. Does that exist or it's a typo? Tonitin.
Um, I'm not in
Google.
there. Okay. So you're talking about the increment one.
Okay, it's a plagiarism software in Canvas only, so you have to submit it out there.
Yeah, it's in turn N. Once you submit the report on Canvas, it will submit automatically in turn N. You know?
Okay,
Yeah.
that's okay. So yeah, we just have to submit the report out there and like use the following Google link to submit your proposal. What's this?
Yep. The
Oh, this is team name, project, team members, description, GitHub link. Okay, we don't have to attach our document anywhere out here. We just have to fill the normal form, and it's
sorry, what
supposed to.
are you looking at the project proposal form at the Canvas or?
I'm looking at the Google form, which we have to fill. Like any one person has to fill from the team.
Oh, use the following Google link to submit your proposal. Okay, the link one. Okay. Yeah, we have to team
So I
name,
think we
project
need to
name,
write the wiki
team
link for
members.
this.
Do we have to? Did it mention in there in the
Yeah, it
submission
is
guide?
mentioned. Yeah, it is mentioned on Google Form, GitHub or wiki URL link for the submission.
Hmm. Oh, yeah. What is the GitHub wiki URL for this? So once we done,
So
once we done from the report that on Google Doc, we just gonna share it in Canvas and share the link and upload it in GitHub repository GitHub, and then share the link here as well.
Yeah, that's good.
Hmm. Yep, yep, yep. What is the document type?
User description.
Mm. Team members. First name, team leader. So it's gonna be the team leader, Afan.
No, like you decide. You decide. Wants to be the leader.
Mm.
So this the Kaggle file has 179,108 rows and it has 13 columns.
okay.
And but there are 13 columns in it, and those are the basic one: username, user location, description, user description. It's user description.
Can you share the link? Um,
Yeah, that would be.
I've downloaded the Kaggle dataset.
You
COVID.
download and you open it in which file on when you download?
I've opened it in Excel.
Excel, okay. Because I tried to open it in Excel on my laptop, but it take long
It's a
time.
CSV file, but I opened it in Excel. Like it's the same thing.
I tried to download the one from IEEE, but it was like
Hashtags are there. COVID
so
19. Okay.
so big, and looks like it's crashed too. So. Yeah. Okay.
So this.
Hey, Athan, you said you
Yeah.
downloaded that file.
Yeah, the zip file. I created the. Oh, sorry. I've downloaded that file up now.
Can you upload it
The
like
Kaggle
from?
one.
Yeah. Can you put it in
It's
the chat, please?
I've downloaded on the I've downloaded on PC and it's a 63 MB file. I don't know if I could share it. The link is there. Like you can download it from the house itself. Like you don't need any ID or anything.
Did you share the link
For the
on?
Kaggle one, I haven't downloaded the IEEE data set yet. I was just creating the account.
Yeah, but where did you share it, on Discord or? Because I
Uh, what are you talking about? The link for Kaggle or
for the
IEEE?
you said you downloaded the CSF file for dataset.
CSV file. Yeah, for the Kaggle from the Kaggle. I'll add the link again. Once I'll add it out here only on the Zoom.
Okay.
It's cool.
I mean, if
19.
you could upload the file itself in the chat room, that would be better.
I was I'm trying to log in from my PC
Okay.
on the Zoom, but one second.
Oh, okay, okay.
I've connected it. How is that? I can't share my screen. I'm similar to something. It's not allowing me to share the file. I don't know. COVID-19.
Okay, can we? Okay, guys. So we can search on this sources we have already right now and data set we have already right now, and we could finish the report if you guys, because I gotta
Yeah, we
go
can.
at 11:30 because I had a
Okay.
class. So, do you guys do? I don't know if you guys wanna show me which part I have to do in the report, or you're gonna do all of it together, or what exactly you guys planning to do?
So there are there's motivation, significance, objective features, chapter one, and contribution of work and references. So contribution of work and references is not a big deal. Like we can add those things. References will give the report, the reference for the report
Hold on,
for
hold
the
on.
IEEE report.
Uh, Hold on, I'm fine. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah,
So you're talking about the okay. So contribution, work, and references. That's easy.
yeah,
So what exactly you want me to do? Like, do you want me to do the chapter one questions, like there has who and what and when and where and why and how questions?
yeah.
Okay.
So there are three parts. Like the motivation, significance will become one part. Objective features will be one part, and chapter one, the entire thing will be a one part. So whoever wants to take
Which
whichever parts like.
I mean, whatever you guys want to give me, that's fine. Just you just guys let me know which one you want me to
That's
pick, so I could just
fine.
work on it.
Vyoma, do you want any of the part?
Uh,
I'm
it's
fine with anything. I think we should work together. Like,
Yeah.
one of you can fill the entire part, and we can just revisit and correct the modifications or something like that.
Yeah,
hmm.
we can even
Because,
do that.
yeah,
Okay, so you want me to fill up and then you guys kind of like update whatever I have something wrong or something not good. Sounds not good. You just guys kind of update on it. Is that okay?
Yeah, that will work.
yeah,
But
Okay.
are
that
you
will work.
you have a class right now, no? So will you
Uh,
be able to do?
it's kind of like I can hold for a little bit, but it's gonna be starting like on 11:30. I'm just letting you know early. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I
Yeah, you
mean,
can update. Yeah, like the features part will be a tricky one because like we have to add in features we have to add the what modules we'll be using in Hadoop and Scoop.
okay.
So just
What?
that part will be the tricky one. The
Mm-hmm.
rest is fine.
Mm-hmm.
I also create the GitHub link. I'll try creating a GitHub link. Just for your information, I've submitted another project on GitHub. So when we submit the link, it shows just my name, not it doesn't show everyone's name. So like if you're fine with that, or if someone else wants to create the GitHub repository.
I mean, I could work on the report for now, and you guys just let me know. Whether if you guys wanna
Yeah.
re-
So who will be the team leader? Who will be submitting it? He or she should create the repository so that he can handle it and like.
yeah, I can do that.
Okay, that's good then. Like after we are done with all the editing and all, you submit you add it on the GitHub repository and you share the link. You fill the form. You'll be able to fill the form. Like you will be able to.
I can't hear you.
The team leader, yeah. So the team leader has to fill the form. So you fill the form and submit everything.
I mean, I will try to do the repository, the GitHub repository as well. But right now, we're just gonna need to focus on the report. Once we
Okay,
done,
yeah. First, yeah.
yeah, we once we're done from the report, everything will be easy. The submission will be easy.
Yeah, yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
So we'll be using the Kaggle data set because like I don't know the IEEE form isn't getting created. Like it's the security answer should be between. It's not allowing me ahead. I don't know what's the issue with it.
I have uploaded the Kaggle data set. Ali, you can go through it. I think this is good. It sounds better.
Which one?
The Kaggle dataset I have uploaded on Zoom chat.
Okay, the Kaggle, the
Yeah.
Kaggle data set.
Yeah, it's a Kaggle COVID-19 dataset. Yeah.
Okay, we go with that.
So let's start. And like once you're done with the report, tell us so we can make the changes and like we'll give you the final report for you to submit it.
Sounds good. Okay, okay.
Great.
All right.
Bye.
All right,
All
guys.
right.
Bye.
Okay. Yeah.
Bye.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice. Same here. Same here.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Catch you
Bye.
later. Bye bye.
Catch you
Yeah.
later. Bye.
Bye.
Oh my